Welcome to the Motomed tutorial, Setting the Initial Values. The most important settings for free training with the Motomed can be reached easily in the home screen by briefly pressing and holding the active training mode. This is the quickest way to get to the Initial Values menu. To set the initial values of the currently inactive training mode, simply select the respective button, arms or legs. To apply your settings permanently, select the Save button. However, if you want to apply the settings only to the current training, select Start Training. You can reset the saved values to the factory settings at any time by selecting the Reset button. However, the change of the initial values can also be reached classically in the home screen via the Settings button.